Have you ever wondered how Google knows what to show you? Search engines are like wizards pulling answers from the internet. In this video, we'll uncover the magic behind search engines and SEO basics. Search engines help users find information online. They index pages, analyze content, and rank results. Understanding this helps you improve your website's visibility. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, search engines use crawlers. These bots scan the web for new and updated content. They visit websites following links to collect data. Next, the search engine processes this data. It looks for keywords and analyzes page structure. Quality and relevance play an important role. Then comes indexing. Information gets stored in a massive database. Think of it as a vast library where everything is organized. After indexing, search engines rank the pages. They use algorithms to determine which results to show. Factors include keyword usage, site speed, and user engagement. Let's look at an example. Imagine you search for best coffee maker. Google sorts through millions of pages. It finds the most relevant content based on your search. Now you can see why SEO is crucial. Proper optimization increases your chances of being found. Use keywords effectively and create quality content. In summary, search engines use crawlers, indexing, and ranking. Understanding these processes helps you improve your website's SEO. Ready to boost your site's visibility? Start researching relevant keywords and optimize your content. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. As we dive deeper into SEO, it's important to explore the significance of keywords. Keywords are the phrases users type into search engines, acting as a bridge between your content and their queries. By selecting the right keywords, you can better align your website's material with what potential visitors are looking for. To effectively identify the right keywords, consider using keyword research tools that reveal popular search terms related to your niche. These tools provide insights into what users are searching for, allowing you to tailor your content accordingly. For instance, if you're running a blog about coffee, exploring terms like espresso machines or best coffee brewing methods can draw more targeted traffic to your site. Utilizing these researched keywords naturally in your content is vital. It ensures you remain relevant to search engine algorithms while engaging your audience. Don't forget to keep an eye on trends, as popular phrases can shift over time, necessitating an ongoing adjustment to your SEO strategy. This adaptability is key to long-term success in search engine visibility. While keyword optimization is essential, it's equally important to focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Crafting informative, engaging articles or insights not only keeps readers on your site longer, but also encourages them to share your content with others. This organic sharing generates valuable backlinks, which search engines view as a vote of confidence in your material. Additionally, incorporating multimedia elements such as images or videos can enhance user experience, making your site more appealing. Remember, the goal is not just to attract visitors but to keep them coming back for more. Regularly updating your content and maintaining relevance with your audience fosters a loyal community and strengthens your site's authority in the eyes of search engines. In conclusion, mastering SEO through effective keyword usage and quality content creation is essential for achieving visibility online, driving traffic, and ultimately growing your digital presence. By understanding how search engines operate and the importance of SEO, you're equipped to enhance your website's online presence effectively. Embrace these strategies and watch as your content rises through the rankings, bringing more visitors and potential customers into your digital space.